Hey kid, what are you daydreaming about?
One of my residents wants to renovate his unit into a large entertainment center, complete with a 20-seater home theater and a state-of-the-art VR game arena. And he's going to hack away all the walls to make space for the equipment. Oh, it'll be so much fun! Hey!
No, they can't hack away all the walls.
Why not?
Because that would affect the structural safety of the block. HDB regulates flat renovations to ensure the safety of the building and its residents. Some works require a permit from HDB before they can be carried out. For example, unauthorized hacking of walls or raising the floor level by too much can weaken the structure of the flat and lead to serious safety issues.
Wow, I didn't realize that renovation guidelines are so important. Where can my residents find them?
I'm glad you asked. For general renovation guidelines, visit www.hdb.gov.sg/home renovation. To check for renovation guidelines specific to your flat, visit HDB InfoWeb, log in to My HDB page, and select My Flat, Purchase Flat, and Renovation. After you have decided on the scope of works, your contractor and yourself need to apply for the relevant permits before carrying out renovations. HDB will evaluate the permit application within a week. You can also see the status of your renovation permit applications on this webpage. Once the permit is approved, you may carry out your planned renovations. Remember, safety is everyone's responsibility.
Oh, thanks! Now that I know that too, I will make sure that all my residents follow them.
Remember to check out the renovation guidelines at www.hdb.gov.sg/home renovation.